with you. Dahan-dahan, mga matang umiiyak. Come on, if you want to come to the altar dito sa atubangan, then just come and just worship Jesus here together. Punasan na luha mong bumabagsak, dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan, mga matang umiiyak. If ever na kay unforgiveness, na kay dili mapasaylo, forgive that person right now. Freedom is in this place.